Alright, February 1st, 2025, CN Heaps here, 1803. Another southbound on the way, falling behind 342. This is the B788. Check them out on the roads, we'll lead back again. The new 3393. 64. 75.5, 57.13. Potash leakage coming out of there. Up throttle to keep her up at track speed. Goodness sakes. Definitely was not expecting that. Locomotives running 2x2. Why not? So that'll do it for the B788, 41 of the 30th, and we'll do it for the new 3364. With 5713, driving dash 9026, 94, and 3265. That'll do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this evening. Thanks for watching, everyone. Have a great evening. Have a great weekend. See you next time. And I hope I will see you down the main line. CN Hayes out.